How to implement a stack in Python. So, what actually is a stack? A stack is a very important data structure that stores items in a last-in first-out or LIFO manner. That is, we are allowed to access the items only from the top of the stack. You may compare this with a stack of books or a stack of plates, etc. A new item is put on the top of the stack, and if required we may get an item from the top only. Putting an item on the top is known as push and getting an item from the top is known as pop. That is, the two basic operations are push and pop. In this lesson we will implement a stack using list and collections deque data structures. In addition to push and pop operations, we will also implement few additional operations such as finding the length of the stack, checking whether the stack is empty or not, showing the stack, etc. Here stack is an empty list. Insert an item at the end, that is, top of the stack. Remember, we are implementing stack with a list. So, don't be confused. Insert another item. Insert our third item. Let's view the stack. Let's pop an item. Let's view the stack again. As we can see, the last inserted item was removed by the pop operation. Let's insert a few more items. How many items? Is the stack empty? This statement will return true if the length of the stack is less than 1, that is, if there is no item in the stack. As there are 4 items in the stack, it returns false. Show me the item at the bottom of the stack. It is available in the index position 0 of the list. Show me the top item of the stack. It is stored at the length -1 position of the list. This is how we may use a list as a stack. We can perform all the operations allowed by a stack. Now we will learn how to implement a stack using collections deque data structure. So, let's begin. First of all, let's import the deque from the collections module. Our stack is now represented by an empty deque or double-ended queue. We can insert items in the queue using the append method. Our stack has 3 items now. Let's pop one item. Let's perform few more push and pop operations. Show the number of items in the stack. Is the stack empty? No, the stack is not empty. Show the bottom item of the stack. Show the item on the top of the stack. In this way, we can also implement a stack using collection modules deque data structure. We have already learned the basics, now let's write a complete program in object-oriented style using class and objects. As the basic were discussed elaborately, here we need not talk much, just follow me while I code. If you are not conversant with OOPS style coding, then you are advised to watch the lessons on OOPS first. The links are given in the description below. This is our complete stack class, with a constructor and a number of essential methods. Now let's create a stack object and perform some operations on this stack. We are facing an issue with the pop operation. We need to fix it. We need to modify the code of the pop method so that it does not fail even if the stack is empty. Now the issue is resolved. That is, during the pop operation we need to check whether the stack is empty or not. Now we will define another class in a separate file for implementing a stack. But, here, instead of a list, we will use the deque data structure of the collections module. So, we need a minor modification to our existing code. Here, I have copied the code already written and modifying it for using the deque data structure. We need to import the deque from the collections module. And here, instead of a list, we will use a deque and it's all done. We needn't change any of our methods. Let's perform a few stack operations quickly. That's all for today's lesson. We have covered two ways of implementing a stack, one using a list and the other using a deque. We will not discuss the pros and cons of these data structures here. But just remember that, in case of a list, the items are stored in consecutive locations of the memory, but in case of a deque, the items are not contiguous. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel for more such useful lessons. Happy coding, bye!